Today topic is vector algebra continuation. Properties of a scalar product. Number 1. A scalar product of two vectors is commutative. That is, A vector dot product of B vector is equal to B vector dot product of A vector for any vectors A and B vector. Number 2. Scalar product of collinear vectors. Number 1. Subdivision number 1. When A vector and B vector are collinear and are in the same direction, then theta is equal to 0. A vector dot B vector is equal to magnitude in the direction of A vector, magnitude in the direction of B vector into cos theta. Here theta is 0, cos 0. Magnitude in the direction of A vector is A. Magnitude in the direction of B vector is B. Cos 0 is 1. So AB dot 1 is AB. Number 2. When A vector and B vector are collinear and are in the opposite direction, then theta is equal to 180 degree. A vector dot B vector is equal to magnitude in the direction of A vector, magnitude in the direction of B vector into cos pi is equal to A into B into cos pi is minus 1. So minus 1 into AB is minus AB. Now EX number 8.1 continuation. Sum number 7. If A vector and B vector represents a side and diagonal of a parallelogram, find the other sides and other diagonal. Let ABCD be a parallelogram. Let AB vector is equal to small a vector and AC vector is equal to small b vector. Let us take AB vector as small a vector, AC vector as b vector. AB vector and DC vector are parallel, AD vector and BC vector are parallel. From the diagram, AC vector is equal to AB vector plus BC vector. AC vector is B vector, AB vector is small a vector plus BC vector. In a parallelogram ABCD, OC vector is equal to AB vector. Vector is equal to AB vector. DC, interchange C and D, we get the direction is opposite. Therefore, minus CD vector is equal to AB vector. AB vector is equal to minus CD vector. So, CD vector is equal to AB minus AB vector, or AB vector is equal to minus CD vector. So, CD vector is equal to minus A vector. DA vector is equal to opposite direction of BC. Therefore, opposite direction of CB. Therefore, minus BC vector. So, minus of BC vector is B vector minus A vector. So, minus of B vector minus A vector is A vector. Minus of minus positive minus B vector minus of minus positive A vector. So, A vector minus B vector. In a triangle BCD, BD vector is equal to BC vector plus CD vector. PC vector is B vector minus A vector plus of minus A vector. So, B vector minus A vector is minus 2A vector. So, BD vector is B vector minus 3A vector. Hence, the other sides of the parallelogram are BC vector is equal to B vector minus A vector. CD vector is equal to minus A vector. DA vector is equal to A vector minus B vector. BD vector is equal to BC vector plus CD vector. So, BC vector is B vector minus A vector plus CD vector is plus of minus A vector. So, B vector minus 2A. PU, P vector, no, PO. PO vector plus OQ vector is equal to QO vector plus OR vector. Then prove that the points P, Q, R are collinear. Let us take PO vector plus OQ vector is equal to QO vector plus OR vector. PO vector plus OQ vector. O is the position vector, then PO vector plus OQ vector is PQ vector. O is the position vector, QO vector plus OR vector is QR vector. Hence, PQR are on the same line. Therefore, PQR are the points which are collinear. Okay, sum number 9. D is the midpoint of the sides BC of a triangle ABC. prove that AB vector plus AC vector is equal to 2AD vector. Let us take A vector, B vector, C vector be the position vectors of the points A, B, C. A, B, C are the vertices of the triangle. Now take the point D is the midpoint of the side BC. Given D is the midpoint of side BC. So OD vector is equal to O is the origin. Then OD vector is equal to OB vector plus OC vector divided by 2 average. OB vector is B vector. OC vector is C vector. So B vector plus C vector divided by 2. To prove that AB vector plus AC vector is equal to 2AD vector. Let us take LHS AB vector plus AC vector. O is the position vector of the point AB. Then AB vector is OB vector minus OA vector. O is the position vector of the point AC. Then OC vector minus OA vector. Arranging, we get B vector plus C vector minus 2A vector. 2AD vector. Let O be the position vector. Then 2 into AD vector is OD vector minus OA vector. But OD vector is OB vector plus OC vector divided by 2 minus OA vector. Now we know that OB vector is B vector, OC vector is C vector. So B vector plus C vector divided by 2 minus OA vector is small e vector. Now taking LCM, we get B vector plus C vector. Cross multiplying these two, we get minus 2A vector whole divided by 2. 2 cancelled, we get B vector plus C vector minus 2A vector. Number is just 2. From equation number 1 and 2, AB vector plus AC vector is equal to 2AD vector. Question number 10. If G is the centroid of the triangle ABC, prove that GA vector plus GB vector plus GC vector is equal to 0 vector. Let A vector, B vector, C vector be the position vector of the points ABC. So OA vector is equal to small a vector, OB vector is equal to small b vector, OC vector is equal to small c vector. Given G is the centroid of the triangle ABC. Come on. OG vector, OG means centroid of the triangle, is OA vector plus OB vector plus OC vector whole divided by 3. Cross multiplying, we get 3 OG vector is equal to OA vector plus OB vector plus OC plus GB vector plus GC vector is equal to GA vector is, let O be the position vector of the point G and A. Then OA vector minus OG vector. GB vector is OB vector minus OG vector. GC vector is OC vector minus OG vector. Adding, we get OA vector plus OB vector plus OC vector minus OG vector minus OG vector minus OG. So minus 3 OG vector. Now minus 3 OG vector is already known, OA vector plus OB vector plus OC vector. So OA vector plus OB vector plus OC vector minus OA vector minus OB vector minus OC vector is 0. Hence GA vector plus GB vector plus GC vector is equal to 0 vector. Next, sum number 11. Let capital A, B, C be the vertices of the triangle. Let D, E, F be the midpoint of the sides BC, CA and AB. Show that AD vector plus BE vector plus CF vector is equal to 0 vector. Draw the triangle ABC. A vector A, B, C be the vertices of the triangle ABC. Take 3 points D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides BC, CA and AB respectively. OD vector is equal to OB vector plus OC vector divided by 2. OB vector is B vector plus OC vector is C vector whole divided by 2. Next, OE vector is equal to OA vector plus OC vector divided by 2. OA vector is A vector plus OC vector is C vector whole divided by 2. OF vector is OA vector plus OB vector divided by 2. So A vector plus B vector divided by 2. LHS equal to AD vector plus BE vector plus CF vector. Let O be the position vector of the point A and D. Then AD vector is OD vector minus OA vector. Let O be the position vector of the point BE. Then BE vector is OE vector minus OB vector. Next, let O be the position vector of the point C and F. Then OF vector minus OC vector. Now collecting positive symbol OD vector plus OE vector plus OF vector minus of OA vector minus OB vector minus OC vector. Collect common minus, then OA vector plus OB vector plus OC vector. Now OD vector is B vector plus C vector divided by 2. OE vector is A vector plus C vector divided by 2 plus OF vector is A vector plus B vector divided by 2 minus A vector plus B vector plus C vector. OA vector plus OB vector plus OC vector is A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Now take LCM of first three terms. We get B vector plus C vector, A vector plus C vector plus A vector plus B vector whole divided by 2 minus of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Now take LCM, collect two terms, 2A plus 2B vector plus 2C vector. So 2A vector plus 2B vector plus 2C vector divided by 2 minus A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Numerator, first term 2 is common. So 2 into A vector plus B vector plus C vector divided by 2. 2 cancel. We get A vector plus B vector plus C vector minus of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. So expanding this minus or multiplying this minus, we get minus A minus B minus C in front of plus A plus B plus C. So cancelling, we get 0. 0 is our. If ABCD is a quadrilateral and E and F are the midpoints of the diagonal, not inside, diagonals, AC and BD respectively, then prove that AB vector plus EAD vector plus CB vector plus CD vector is equal to 4 into EF vector. Let ABCD be a quadrilateral. Draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Join AC and BD. AC and BD are the diagonals of the quadrilateral. Let A vector, B vector, C vector and D vector be the position vector of the points or the vertices A, B, C and D. So OA vector is small a vector, OB vector is small b vector, OC vector is small c vector, OD vector is small d vector. Given E and F are the midpoints of the diagonal AC and BD. AC midpoint is E, BD midpoint is F. Now to find OE and OF. OE vector is OA vector plus OC vector. Why? The point OE is on the diagonal AC. So A vector plus C vector divided by 2. Next OF vector. OF vector F, the point F is the midpoint of BD. So the point F is on the diagonal BD. Okay. So OF vector is OB vector plus OD vector divided by 2. OB vector is B vector, OD vector is D vector whole divided by 2. AB vector plus EAD vector plus CB vector plus CD vector is equal to, let O be the position vector of the point AB. Then AB vector is OB vector minus OA vector. Let O be the position vector of the point AD. Then AD vector is equal to OD vector minus OA vector. Let O be the position vector of the point CB. Then CB vector is OB vector minus OC vector. Let O be the position vector of the point CD. Then CD vector is OD vector minus OC vector. OB vector is B vector. OA vector is A vector. OD vector is D vector. OA vector is A vector. OB vector is B vector. OC vector is C vector. OD vector is D vector. OC vector is C vector. Collect all the terms, all the 6 terms. All the 8 terms. We have minus 2A vector plus 2B vector minus 2C vector plus 2D vector. Collecting, we get 2B vector plus 2D vector minus 2A vector minus 2C vector. So common 2. Remaining part B vector plus D vector minus A vector minus C vector. Minus A vector minus C vector can be written in the form of minus of A vector plus C vector. 2 into B vector plus D vector divided by 2 is OF vector. So B vector plus D vector is 2 OF vector. A vector plus c vector divided by 2 is y vector. So a vector plus c vector is 2 into y vector. Now collect the common number 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 into yf vector minus y vector. Yf vector minus y vector is ef vector. So 4 into ef vector is RHS. Next, homework. Today homework is number 8.3, 8.4 and 8.5. These are the homework problems. Any doubt, reply the message. Thank you.